Hi there, in this video I thought we'd take a look at another bulletin board system that's running Mystic BBS to give you some ideas about how other system operators, sysops or sysops, depends on how you want to say it really, are using the software. And today we're heading to the United States and we're joining Error404 BBS. Keep an eye out in the comments or at least the description of this video and I'll put the address there for you to telnet into. I should also point out that I am a co-sysop of this bulletin board, although I'm really that in name only. The real sysop or sysop is a chap who goes by the name of Solaris, and he's done all the hard work. So let me log you into this system. This is currently running 1.12 alpha 31. It's a 64-bit system, and because I have sysop access, it's allowing me the choice of logging in invisibly. I'll say no to that, and I'm also going to not just jump to the main menu, which is an option that I get. But you can see here it's connecting me, telling me that I've arrived. Looks like I've called 82 times and I've got high privileges. There's an auto message feature that's been set up. I might change that. This is a new and very slightly GHT cooler auto message. Save that. Carry on. Looks like we're seeing the number of calls per day. So far, as I ring in, it's 7 calls today. Local time is 9:22 PM in the evening. Then I met with some very nice ANSI, which is just scrolling through. And after that we can see there's a few nodes, something's happening on a couple of the nodes as people are logging in. We've had callers from Michigan, New York, a few other bulletin board users. What are we looking at there? The top 10 callers. Oh, I made number 9, so that's not so bad. Here's a one-liner screen where you can add your own comments in if you want. Looks like I've got no electronic mail. An ad for the Mystic Relay chat system, which is a really cool feature. I should demo in a video at some stage. And here we are at the main menu. Now there's a ton of options in this bulletin board. This board has a number of door games. In fact, it's giving me an advertisement saying it's got access to Space Quest 2112 game server. Another advertisement for Trade Wars. And then on this screen you can see tons of door games, from Usurper to Barren Realms, Lord, and all sorts of other things in between. Now, a number of door games these days are actually systems that you connect to a different system altogether. So down the bottom of the screen it says percentage door party, 160 games to choose from. I'm not sure if you can see that, it's sort of down in the center of the bottom of the screen. So if I use the percent key, it's actually connecting me off now to a different system. And I'm hoping it'll pull me through shortly and we'll have a look at what this looks like. If I get dropped, try it again. Okay. That didn't look like it did anything, did it? Shall we try once more? We'll give it a go. Yep, here we go. Door party news. Press any key. And now you can see I'm in a completely different server. In fact, let's see if it can tell me who else is online. It's just me, but it's got provisions for up to 15 people to be connected. And if I want to go in and have a look at some doors here, I mean the list is just full on. There are so many choices for door games. So I'll get back out of that and return to the bulletin board itself, and I'm going to drop out of the door games menu and just go back to the main menu. On this main menu we can find out some information about the bulletin board. You can see the system is connected to a number of message networks. Talks about the sort of software that's running, and is based in Perrysburg, Ohio. So shout out to everybody in Ohio today. In the mail menu, which is the message side of things, you can see that if I want to join a message group or message net, Error404 is connected to, let me see, 19 different message networks, including its own local messages. So just to pick on one, and I'll choose the WWI VNet, which is number 17, and then if I want to, I can say do a new message scan for that particular group, and now you can see messages are starting to come in here. Lots of nice customization that's been done to the header and footers of the screen when you're reading messages. Look at this, just nice ANSI. Do I want to post a message in this area? No, I don't. I'll move on to the next one, and so on. I'll get out of that, go into the file menu, and again there are a number of areas available. You can see there are various CDs that have been installed. So the Best of Night Owl Volume 6, so let's go into that. It's option 10, and I'll take a look at area 462, which is the games. Nice menus, eh? A lot of love and attention that's been spent on this system. And now I want to have a list of the files, so I'll go I, and here we go, plenty of files. An aeronautical trivia quiz game. Oh, wash, let's grab that one, we'll tag that one. Oh, it's not available, that's a pity. Not sure why those aren't available, but I'll escape out, go back to the main menu, show you an option here. It looks like there's some Python doors here too, so we can go in, have a look at the solar weather. And this is a Python script that's been integrated with Mystic BBS for ham radio operators, telling me what the solar flux index is. Nice. Major League Soccer stats. I haven't seen that one before. Let's see what this does. And we can see what's going on with the Eastern and Western conferences. Looks like Toronto's ahead in the Eastern, and Dallas is doing quite well in the Western Conference. So for now I will get out of here and just have a quick look at the board usage. Oh yeah, you can see some pretty impressive stats there. Looks like Tuesday's the busy day for this board. Look at that, it's been up for 695 days, it's had over nearly 7,500 calls, so it's a popular system. And for that I think I will log out. And you can see there's the ability to also telnet to other bulletin boards, so if I choose that, there's tons of them there. And there's some good systems to check out here too. For now though, I will bail from that and go back to the main menu, choose to log out, and say yes, I'm out of here. So there we go. So there you go, just a brief overview of Error404 BBS running Mystic Alpha 31, the 64-bit version for Windows.